Hey, how's it going? My name is David Deacle. I want to thank you for stopping by this page. On this very video, I want to share a strategy that I've been using with affiliate marketing that's been working really, really well for me. And I also want to tell you about a little piece of software that would help you get results pretty much instantly. So let's get started. So what I want to do first is I want to show you what type of results I've been able to get by just showing you at least one campaign so you know that this actually works. And then what I'll do is I'll tell you about the method and how it works so you can see if this is something that you actually want to use in your business. Now, what I'm about to show you does not require you to create any pages. It doesn't require you to create your own product. It doesn't require you to have any kind of technical knowledge or anything like that. So let's get straight to it. All right, so here we are on my Warrior Plus account. And what I want to show you is this campaign here that I ran called the Simple Affiliate. So if I just click there, what it's going to show you here, I'm just going to change the time to this month or this week, whatever, it doesn't matter. It was just a few days ago. And what you're looking at here is the offer that I actually ended up sending the traffic to. And as you can see, I sent 22 visitors, ended up making 19 sales for a total conversion of 86.4%, which ended up netting me $139 in commissions. Now, the way that this was possible, I mean, if you've ever tried affiliate marketing, you know that sometimes you have to send hundreds of clicks just to get one sale. But the reason that this was possible is because of a strategy that I've been using, which I'm going to share with you right now exactly what I did. So essentially what I did is I created what we call a pre-sale page. A pre-sale page, essentially what it does is it puts you, the visitor, in the mind frame of where you want them to be to actually go ahead and buy the product. Let me show you what that looks like. All right, so here we are on my blog, and as you can see, this is my pre-sale page. What I did here is I just created a little page, a very simple one that just talks about secrets that have made him $900K last year. Simple affiliate review, and basically has a little review video, a link to the buy button, a picture of it, an interview that I did with the product creator, and basically everything else. Now, if you're watching this and you're thinking, oh my God, I have to go and create videos and I have to create interviews with people and all that stuff. Sure, that could be one way of doing it, but what I want to do is I want to actually share with you a simple little software that would help you bypass this entire process and just get straight to the part where you can already leverage other pre-sale pages that are out there right now on the internet. So what you could do is, let me just show you a few more examples of pre-sale pages. Here's another one for a weight loss product. Now this is not mine. This is just pages that are available out there on the internet for other people that are basically using these to sell products. So as you can see, what they're doing here is essentially they're showing the mindset that they're trying to put the visitor in here is, hey, weight loss is something you might want to be considering even more today, right now. Let's go buy a product, kind of thing. So what they're doing here is they're showing the person pictures of before and after. So here's one, here's another one, here's another one, here's another one. And you can guess by the end of this page, obviously, the visitor would be very, very interested in something to do with weight loss. Here's another example. You could send people over to a page on Reddit, and basically in here it would have all kinds of stories of people losing weight, how long it took them, transformations, journeys, all that kind of stuff. And in a second, I'll show you how you can turn this into actual results. So here's another one. This one is for Men's Muscle, very popular site called We Grow Muscle. And basically they have a little story here about I've tried everything. And basically this is what worked for me and how I got the results. And at the end of it, you can bet that they got something for sale. Here's another one, Brain Reports. Here they're selling some kind of a, this is an affiliate offer for some type of a bottle that they're selling brain pills, essentially, how to be smarter. And this is all about how, you can become smarter. It's developed by this person, that person, all that kind of stuff. So now, how do you turn this into results? Okay, here's how you do it. It's very simple. What you could do is I've developed this little tool to help you out called PreSold Pro. It's a very simple WordPress plugin that enables you to put your affiliate links on top of any page you want out there on the internet. So imagine like bypassing the entire creation of the pre-sale page and just using some page out there on the internet as your pre-sale page. So let me show you how quick this is and how easy this is. So, okay, so here we are inside of PreSold Pro, and I want to show you exactly how you can set up a campaign so you can actually use any page out there on the internet as your pre-sale page for whatever product you're promoting. So the first thing you want to do once you're in the software is to simply click on Add Campaign and then give it a name. So we're just going to call this one weight loss. And the first thing is going to ask you is to put in a destination URL to the page you want to display to the visitor. And I'm just going to use the weight loss page example article that we found earlier about the body transformations. So now you have the option to select the bar design. It could either look like a Windows pop-up, or it could be a custom one, or you could choose not to use a bar at all. So I'm just going to use custom for this example. Then you have the option to choose an icon to display right next to your text. So I'm just going to use the guard one just because it grabs attention, and it's pretty cool to have it there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a message now to say something like, click here to learn how you can lose 20 pounds quickly, or whatever message you want to give the person. So obviously after the user is on that page and they've seen 20 pictures of different people losing weight, you can bet that they'll be interested in something to do with losing weight because they'll be in the right mind frame for that. So the next thing you want to do is select the text color. I'm just going to leave it at black. You can change it to white or make it all custom. And then what you want to do is select a destination to take the visitor to when they reach that page and they click on the bar, or if they click on any of the links on the page, which I'll show you that option. It's also available to you in just a second. So let's say that our affiliate offer is MSN.com. Okay, just for example purposes, obviously it's not, but let's just use that as the example. Obviously here you would just put whatever affiliate link you've got. Then you have the option to choose if they click on the bar, would it go to a new window, or would the link open in the same window? I'm just going to leave it to the same window for now, but you do have the option of using it in a new window as well. Then you also have the option to automatically redirect the user after a certain period of time. So let's say if you're sending them to an article that's like 2 pages long, but you don't want them to necessarily read the whole thing, you can choose yes here and then enter the amount of seconds that you want them to stay on the page before they automatically get redirected. I'm just going to leave it blank for now. Just select no. You also have the option to select how long before the bar would actually load on the page. Do you want it to load immediately? You would leave it at 0, or do you want it to load like 5 seconds later after they got a chance to maybe read the headline? I'm just going to select 4 seconds and leave it like that. Now also you have the option to make all of the links on the destination page point towards your affiliate link. So when they go to this site, all of the links on this site will point here regardless of what they click. That's the pretty cool part about this, guys. So I'm just going to leave it to yes, because we want that. We don't want them to just browse the site and do nothing. We want to show them the offer, right? And you also have the ability to enter any kind of HTML you want here. This would basically could be a retargeting pixel, it could be a conversion pixel, it could be anything you want. Now, once we have this all configured, you just click on publish, and then you would just go to this URL. So we're just going to copy that and paste that here, and notice what happens. So here we are on the page, and 4 seconds later, what's going to happen is we're going to get this little pop-up bar that says, hey, click here to learn how you can lose 20 pounds quickly. Now, obviously, you can customize this message to say anything you want, but imagine the power of taking literally any page out there on the internet, and notice what happens. If they try to click here, it goes to MSN.com. If they try to click here, it goes to MSN.com. Just notice this area as I'm moving my mouse. Any of the clicks, any of the clicks that would happen on this page, because you selected make all the links on this page point towards the destination click, what would happen is anything that they click, they would end up going to MSN.com. So I hope you can see the power of this. There's plenty of examples of campaigns that I ran with pre-sale pages just below this video. As part of this special promotion, special release. You can get this now get the software for a very special price. So make sure to check all the details just below this video. And thanks again for watching. Bye for now.